In this video, I'll show you how you can install DawnCraft, the Minecraft mod. Now first what you want to do is head over to curseforge.com, and from in here you want to press get the app. Press download standalone, we don't want the Overwolf one, and you'll get a download installer up here. Simply open it and press install. Now after you have installed CurseForge, what you want to do is make sure you have Minecraft on your PC. You don't need to have it opened, just make sure you have it installed and make sure you're logged in. Now then what you want to do is press on this button and add Minecraft. You can manually add it or scan your computer, and when you scan it, it will appear above here. Then once you have Minecraft added, you want to head over to browse and search for DawnCraft. Now when you do this, you'll see the first one right here. What you want to do is simply press install. After you have installed it, it will say play, and you just press play and then it will open up DawnCraft. Now that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.